Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a ridiculously easy way to clean the inside of your car's door panels. And the best part? No grime, no streaks, and no expensive products. If you've ever tried cleaning your car's door panels before, you already know how frustrating it can be. You wipe, you scrub, you try different sprays, and what happens? You're left with greasy residue, ugly streaks, fingerprints that won't go away, and that dull, worn out look. It's like no matter what you do, it just never looks truly clean. Especially areas like the armrest and door handle, those spots collect oils from your hands, lotion, sweat, even smoke residue over time. And regular cleaners, they either don't break it down properly or they leave behind a shiny fake looking finish. So instead of cleaning your car, you end up making it look worse. But today I'm going to show you a simple method that completely changes the game. With this technique, you can clean each door panel in about 60 seconds and get that fresh factory clean look every single time. No streaks, no residue, no stress. I've tested a lot of interior cleaners over time, cheap ones, expensive ones, premium detailing sprays, and honestly, none of them work as consistently as this simple method. Because instead of masking the dirt, this actually breaks it down and removes it completely. And here's the crazy part, we're going to use something you already have at home, dishwashing detergent. Yes, the same stuff you use in your kitchen to cut through grease. And trust me, it works better than most car interior products for this specific job. Think about it. Dish soap is specifically designed to break down oils, grease, and stubborn residue. And what's on your door panels? Exactly that. Body oils, hand lotion, dirt buildup. So instead of fighting it, we use the right tool for the job. Alright, let's get started. First, grab a small container, like a glass or cup. Fill it with about 6 ounces of warm water. Not boiling, just comfortably warm. This helps activate the soap and makes it easier to dissolve grime. Next, add about 1 teaspoon of dish soap. Try to use a clear grease cutting formula, something simple and effective. Now here's an optional step, but I highly recommend it. Add about 1 teaspoon of isopropyl alcohol. This is what really takes the cleaning power to the next level. The alcohol helps break down body oils, sticky residue, smoke film, and any hidden grime. Plus, it helps everything dry faster, which means no streaks left behind. Now let's talk about tools, because this part matters more than people think. You'll need 1 large towel, like a bath or beach towel, and 2 clean microfiber cloths. Make sure those microfiber towels are completely clean. And whatever you do not use paper towels or tissues. They leave lint everywhere, and they can actually ruin the finish of your door panels. Microfiber is the way to go, every time. Before you start cleaning, place that large towel over your seat, right under the door panel. This protects your seat from drips and keeps everything neat and controlled. Then place your cleaning solution somewhere stable, like a cup holder. Now grab your first microfiber towel, dip it into the solution, and wring it out so it's damp, not soaking wet. And now, start wiping. Go over the entire door panel, armrest, door handle, window switches, storage pockets, all plastic and vinyl surfaces. You'll immediately notice something different. The towel glides smoothly. There's no resistance. That's because the soap is breaking down the grime, instead of you having to fight it. No aggressive scrubbing needed. If your door panel is extra dirty, just go over it one more time. But even then, you're only spending about 30 to 45 seconds per door, and you'll literally see the dirt lifting off. Now take that large towel you placed on the seat and use it to wipe down the panel. This helps absorb the soapy solution along with all the loosened grime. Use firm, even pressure. At first you might see a bit of suds. That's completely normal. Now for the most satisfying part. Grab your second clean dry microfiber cloth and gently wipe the entire panel again. This step removes any remaining moisture and gives you that clean streak-free finish. You'll notice something instantly. There's no greasy shine, no haze, no streaks, just a clean, natural matte finish. Exactly how it's supposed to look. Take a step back and look at the difference. Your door panels are going to look brighter, cleaner, and almost like new. This is probably the cleanest they've been in years. And here's a bonus tip. This method also works on dashboard areas, center consoles, even some fabric inserts. Just be gentle. It's a simple, versatile cleaning hack that saves you time and money. Just remember a few things. Don't oversaturate your towel, don't skip the dry wipe step, and always use clean microfiber. Follow that, and you'll get perfect results every time. There's something really satisfying about seeing your car interior look fresh again. It just feels better to drive. And the best part, you didn't need expensive products or complicated tools. If you found this helpful, go ahead and give this video a like, and if you try this method, come back and let me know how it worked for you. I'd love to hear your results. And if you want more simple, no nonsense car care tips like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.